started.
Okay, I'd like to show you our 600 Spanish articles that we brought in. It was 200 from a couple of months ago, and then we brought in another 400. So to show this, the Spanish articles, you go to the library and click on most popular, and then you click on all, and then you choose imported Spanish content. And we're just going to show you here slowly as we scroll. At the bottom of each thumbnail is the name of the article that we brought in Spanish. So we'll just scroll down for a few seconds to give you a sense of the type of content that we have here. And then we'll click on a thumbnail, click on a book, and we'll show you this is the overlay page. And the information you have here is more details, the size of the article, and most importantly, the number of questions. So if you look there, it says number of questions is 6. And we can actually click on that, and then it will show you the actual 6 questions. So you can see the location of where they are within the article. And let's click on one of the questions to take a look. And here you'll see the defaults to Spanish, of course. So there's the question in Spanish, and there are the 4 possible multiple choice answers and which one is the correct. Obviously, I'm able to see the answers because I'm logged in as a teacher. Students would never be able to see the answers. I can, of course, click on English, and I will see the equivalent English. Even though it's a Spanish article, I can see the questions in English as well. So let's close this up and open up another thumbnail of another article anywhere, just to give you another idea. And same thing. There's 4. No, he has 4 questions, and I can look at those questions and see what kind of questions there are. And let's open up an article quickly just to take a look at the sense of what an article looks like inside of Lightsail. And so here's the article, and you can see on the right-hand side, it says 2 in green. So that means on this page, there are 2 questions. So we can click that and get a sense of what does the questions look like within the article. And of course, it defaults to Spanish. And you can see here, you don't know which is the right question, a right answer. And if we go to the next page, now as a teacher, I can go to the next page because I can skip questions. As a student, I would never be able to skip, right? So let's go to the next page for the next 2 questions. And here they are at the back. So let's click it. There you can see the last 2 questions. Again, I can see it in Spanish or in English. Let's go back to the library here, just to show you one other thing. Let's exit and let's click on a thumbnail, go back to the library. So books, most popular. And then we just go to there and click on imported Spanish content. And let's click on any article just to get to the overlay quickly. Okay. You see this set student download permissions. So you can allow, if you want students to download the article, so meaning to download it so they can print it, you can let's click that and see. So that's where you would set the permission of who in your class is allowed to you can even download the questions so they can actually take the assessment of the book on a paper, like old-fashioned handwriting, handwritten. Okay, that's a wrap. Thank you.